Go to the Edit Code section and click on Customize Theme to access your theme's customization settings. Then click on Add section and select Array before after image number 3 to begin working on that section. Within this section, you can click Add Item to insert new blocks and build out your layout. Start by selecting the first item, where you'll upload a left side image followed by a right side image to maintain visual symmetry. If needed, you can also paste an image URL here for added flexibility and dynamic integration. Move on to the second item. Repeat the same process by uploading another set of left and right images. Continue with the third item, again adding a left image followed by the right to create a visually appealing comparison layout. These steps help build a well-structured and engaging before-after image section that enhances the viewer's understanding of the transformation or differences shown. Next, it's time to add a heading for this section. You can choose a compelling title that reflects the content and optionally enable or disable the custom font feature. Select a font family that suits your brand and fine-tune the font size to ensure the heading stands out appropriately. You can also adjust the line height for better readability and set the heading's alignment to left, center, or right based on your layout preferences. After that, customize the spacing between items to make sure the layout looks clean and organized. You can specifically control item gap for desktop and mobile views and adjust the top margin to prevent crowding. For mobile optimization, toggle the second line option to control visibility and keep the section responsive. You can then modify the line width, radius, and border thickness to shape the divider lines as needed. Enable a shadow on lines to subtly add depth and dimension. To fine-tune visuals, set the image height for both desktop and mobile views so images display proportionately. Adjust the image corner radius and border thickness to control the style, rounded or sharp, and apply a selected aspect ratio for consistent presentation. Animation settings can also be personalized. Change the speed and direction to make how content enters more engaging. Next, style the section with custom colors. Choose a heading color that fits your branding, an image border color for framing, a line background color to create separation, and matching colors for the line border and shadow. You can also pick a section background color and a gradient for more depth. Add a border color to the full section for a frame effect. To finish up, adjust the section's outer margin at the top and bottom to give the layout breathing room, and set inside padding for the top, bottom, and sides for perfect alignment. For mobile devices, make sure the padding works well across all screen sizes. If you want the section to span the full screen width, enable the full width option. Lastly, control the content width and adjust the border thickness of the section to finalize the overall visual balance and structure.